Alright, it's been a few days, but wanted to wrap this video up. I got the cab on there, got everything installed. I didn't really film any more of it because I got frustrated with it and just wanted to get it done, and it wasn't that exciting anyway. But I just went and cut about 5 acres for a guy. It was all just grass, field grass, and seems to work pretty good. It's not the best cab in the world, but it's way better than no cab. You can see there's still a fair amount of debris that got in, which, I mean, I think I can improve on that. Maybe get some duct tape and start sealing it up a little bit better, but so much better than it was. That's for sure. But I built this little plate down under here. I just kind of cobbled it together. Wait, can't even really see it. But this plate here, and because I had to make a plate to cover up the sweep out holes, and I noticed when I was mowing that stuff would come out of the back of the mower and hit right here and then bounce up and fall into the cab. So I thought if I put a piece across here, that might help with that. And plus, the weather stripping on the bottom of the door here is, well, not the weather stripping, but just the seal, the way the door is designed. It's kind of far away from the latch and the hinge, and it doesn't seal that well. I guess it's more designed for rain and snow to drip down off of it, and not for material to come up underneath it. So I wanted to make this, and that seems like it's working great. It seemed like it helped a lot. But I'm pretty disappointed in the quality of this cab. I mean, it's a factory cab, but it's just, I don't know, it's just not really designed very well, it seems like to me. I don't know. Like, these windows are held on with these little 5mm screws or bolts, and that doesn't really seem very strong. And it's got, well, I'll show you on the other side with the glass piece. It's got kind of a big gap between the inside sliding window on the inside of the ROPS and the sealed up window that sits on the outside. And I put a piece of like foam window weather stripping in there, but I mean, there's still a little gap. So and the door is, I don't know, it's like it's strong, but it's got this piece of metal around it, so the glass has to be a lot smaller, so it's got really poor visibility. But whatever, it works.